What's up, guys? Joe garbage ass.
Don't get that shit, bro.
Messing up the intro. But what's up, guys? Somewhere Z back. You know, this is the first day driving the car. We're finna take it to the shop real quick. Spooky Road Auto. So just go ahead and get it there. In one piece. In one piece,
man. Hey, probably make it, man.
Yeah, stop the violence.
Hey, stop the violence.
Stop the violence, man. Stop it, man.
little bit out here, man. So, yeah, you know, I'm gonna have to close the door for you.
And the Z with it, man. Deal chop, man.
Just look at this sound.
That's what good pussy sound like.
I don't know.
Man, so we in the Z with it?
Yeah, we are.
So what you doing today, man?
We finna go for a little drive around the neighborhood real quick and then take it to the shop. But yeah, guys, we finna do it though, so let's listen to the purr real quick. I didn't think that was gonna turn on.
Man, that hoe turned on, man. That hoe sound like a fucking...
What it sound like?
Doofenshmirtz machine.
Baby, the platypus.
That sound like a Nata.
Yeah, alright.
Man, what that sound is though, bro?
Huh?
So what the sound is?
Man,
no, bro.
It's nothing too bad.
This is just a work in progress though, you know?
Ain't the wipers work though?
Hey, mine don't.
Oh, damn.
But this is a work in progress.
You got seatbelts. You wanna wear your seatbelt?
Yeah, of course, man. The smelly smell in here.
Yeah. It does have a little smelly smell. I'm usually gonna keep that hoe.
Mine started, man.
Roll down in that hoe.
You right? Oh shit.
Yeah, we only got one mirror on that hoe.
I only got one mirror, bro.
Yeah, we do.
No mirror on this side.
Yeah.
One mirror. And this man driving all the way to the bottom. What you gotta do with you? Uh-oh. So I ain't like, this is the footage, man. Y'all know we at if I go missing or something, or we in the ditch or something, bro. This is the last video, bro. And he the one driving, man.
Can't even get my clutch right.
Oh, shit.
Shit, feel awkward.
I thought we finna die, man.
Oh, we almost fucked this squirrel off.
Oh my God, bro. I'm almost hit the squirrel. Hey, don't fuck these kids up, man. I said, what is that? Oh, made this in the junkyard, didn't it? Paul Walker looking at me. Hey. So we might take them around the neighborhood, man, just see if this whole even drivable, but man, it like it's straight, dang.
It's straight. Not straight.
I guess we just I said it's straight, bro. So this is styling is?
That's what styling is, yeah.
So we just start.
Yeah, this shit happened. Bro, really, this shit is just all
shit all up on me and shit. So, bro, we just start, bro. We gonna start. If we gonna start, what we? Oh my God, bro. Oh my God.
A little weird, bro.
So what if we start in traffic, man?
We will start in traffic.
Somebody said we will, bro. What the hell? I'm discombobulated right now in this motherfucker.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of scared, man.
This car sat for 3 years, bro. So like, this shit is just all sorts of whack.
Hello. Hey, we outside.
Sadly.
Alright. Hey, bro. This a motherfucking death trap, bro. Wish me luck, bro. We done fucking installed this some more shit, bro.
Hey, it happened.
I'ma pray for you niggas, bro. Hopefully y'all don't fucking hydroplane or something.
Hey, man.
I got no brakes in that shit.
Wait.
Huh?
You got some brakes?
What'd he say?
Nah, you got some brakes, man, don't you?
Work. I'm using it right now.
Alright, so y'all heard this shit, man. You just gotta pray for that nigga, man.
I ain't gonna lie, this first gear, like, it's fucked. I ain't gonna lie.
So how did we start, bro? Like, how did shit even happen, man?
Okay, I was in first. Headed in first. And then I was trying to see, like, the bite point of the clutch. And I couldn't find it. I ain't drove this car in like 3 months.
It feel like it. This gonna say 20 minutes, man. And this the 20 minutes, bro. We barely made it out the neighborhood, bro. Oh my God. I ain't lie, bro. Y'all send some prayers up. Oh my God. Y'all send some prayers up, man. little POP holding it down.
Damn you, motherfucker.
It ain't no window. Ain't no telling. There's no window in there to look out, bro. It's only 2 windows and a baby ass window back there. Yeah, then we start out here in this spot. Damn, we finna start again. Hit this mean ass turn. Man, y'all ain't nervous, bro? Take this on the road, bro.
I'm nervous, bro.
You
Not gonna lie. I'm just glad we got an opportunity to go.
Yeah, cause man, this gonna be your little passion project for. Oh my God, see, just start, bro. Just start, cuz.
Second time.
Second time, bro. So we gonna do like a little kind of mind, see how many times the nigga start,
That
bro.
was twice.
So that's 2. It's that manual like, man. But yeah, I remember this day, bro. This junk will be up and running, bro.
Definitely.
I guarantee you, bro.
It is ass right now.
Hey,
Hey, I'm an ass shifting motherfucker too though, so.
hey, he gonna get right too. Just see, he learning how to do it right now.
Yeah.
I gotta be in this hole while he learning. It's alright, man. Hey, I'm a videographer, so it's alright. I'm nervous, man. We finna be around some cars, bro. Oh shit.
I ain't gonna lie, yeah, I hope this hoe starts. If it turns, if I start, I hope it start up again.
Finna do this motherfucker. Okay.
Bro, it's not trying to go in fucking second.
Oh my God, bro.
Damn, man. Hey, we're good though. See,
Yes,
that bitch is like taking forever. Like, I gotta slam that bitch in.
Slammed enough.
Hey, my clutch is fucked.
Then the hell fucked up.
You see, like, how hard it is to get that hoe in?
Yeah. Oh my God, yeah. This hoe got a little stutter to it, bro.
It's alright. Hey, we hitting it, huh, Jalen? I got it forward, so I'm good.
This is a real, like, deal trip, bro. I feel like,
Don't remind me, bro.
I feel like I'm some fucking,
Don't remind me.
what you guys say, man? You need some, my
some
boy needs some
water.
water, man. Some ice too low. I think it's stressing, bro.
Man. Hey, I'm getting a little better though. It feels better. Like, my clutch is feeling better. But this shit not want to go in gear is the bad part.
For real.
Yeah, like just when we were at the stop sign, going to the second, it didn't want to go in the second. Like, I had to slam that motherfucker in there.
Slammed enough.
Slammed in the type shit.
His finger cramping, bro.
Bro, I gotta slam it, bro. Like, look, you'll probably see. Like, I ain't gonna lie, you'll see.
Slammed enough.
Slammed it, bro. For real.
Gotta get that out here. See, you say your finger can't you, man?
Yeah.
Man, look, them ain't gripping the fuck, man. That's a death grip, bro. Nigga veins popping out his hand and shit. Look at that, bro. It's
Bro,
bricked
that
up.
hurt. I'm bricked up, bro.
Man, so how it feel, man, driving this junk, bro? Like, you know, we halfway there, you say 13 minutes, bro.
It feel like a fucking death trap, fool. I ain't gonna lie.
A death trap. But look, man, I ain't gonna jinx it, but it's been somewhat of a smooth ride, man. A little hiccups here and there, hit my hand a couple times, bro, but it's alright. You know, we halfway there, man.
It's getting better at shifting, though.
Shifting.
I really don't know if we're going to speed limit or not, really, because, like,
Hey, man, we
these
on.
tires are bigger than what the OEM ones, so.
Hey,
Say
man.
we going 42, so I hope we going 42.
Hey, we get pulled over, man. We dusting that motherfucker.
Definitely not.
You know,
The Tokyo Drift is all we got to do.
man, we gonna stall on their ass for sure.
Definitely. At least I got one mirror, though. That's a blessing.
Yeah, better than none, man. This thing right there, man. Got the whole gang, really.
Pushing that bit. Damn, that fourth gear is not good.
Might think we in Tokyo Drift or something, man.
I wonder if you know.
Oh, 55, bro.
I went down. I chilled out.
Yo, ain't tweaking, bro. This man done got too excited, man. Open the road.
It's definitely fun to drive, though.
That might just put this junk to 50, man. Like we ain't in the dip trap.
We we definitely are. I mean, it's a good death trap.
It's a good
If this was a death trap from Saw, I'd be okay with it.
What's up, man? Ugly ass nigga. Hey, you want some dick smart looking ass? I'm
Hey, you can roll your window down, you want?
How you do that? Man, look, let me see if she say some shit. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? You see us in the Z, man. You trying to race? Come on, baby. Where you going, baby? Hey, hey! Let me slow down, man. What the hell? Brake on, nigga. That boy pushing that hoe. Yes, sir. Oh, how you let that hoe back up? Okay.
With the up button?
Now that hoe kind of had a little slowness to it. So, when this jet mine gets to working, man, is this gonna be a little penny dropper, bro? Like you gonna get
Let's say the penny dropper.
You gonna get a penny dropper, man?
Sadly, this hoe is gonna be a boxer dropper because number of dudes is gonna like this hoe.
What?
Hey, cut that out.
I said cut that out. Hey,
Nah,
yo. But nah, hold on. So you don't think this gonna be a penny drop? You know females love stick shift drivers, bro.
Hey, as long as they can work a stick and it rhymes with the D word, then hey, I'm good.
Oh my God, bro. It's gonna be a penny drop, I think, bro. Bro, if this mine, look, we just did 20 minutes in this death trap. If this mine is not here,
No, we got 6 minutes left.
we got 6 minutes left. Hey, we blowing that bitch up, man. If this nigga, hey, stop the violence, man.
Stop the violence.
Hey, forget what I just said, man. All love. Look at that shit, man. Damn, boy. Damn, man. That shit finna be looking like this, man, soon. Would you drive your Z if it looked like this?
Hey, I'm fucking, I'm the fuck
He's trying to make sure it don't look like that, man. I ain't gonna lie, man.
That shit was, kind of intrusive thoughts for a second.
Hey, bro, I ain't like,
What if I smacked it back there?
this is why I keep talking about intrusive thoughts, bro. I'm getting kind of scared, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, we good. The
not
Bushwick
gonna lie.
Bill house, man.
Huh?
We in Bushwick Bill territory.
It's in Bushwickville, man. Man, we in the country right now, bro. If we start in the middle of nowhere, bro, y'all ever seen your own turn? I really do say Bushwick.
Look at them hoes.
We pulling up on Dirty Dan right now. Damn, look at that Mazda. So he like,
I can't go in the first. What the fuck?
so he can't even go first and we made it here. At least we here, y'all. Yeah, bruh. So, just dropped the zone off. We made it there safely. Hey, Thaddeus, God answer your prayer, man. We made it here safely.
Yeah, man. They drive reckless ahead, but
They drive reckless. But, man, we made it here. You see the junk? How you feel behind the camera, man? It's your junk.
Wow.
I said, wow. It's a work in progress, man.
Definitely a work in
This
progress.
is passion project.
Yes, sir.
Y'all go see it, bro.
What you thinking, Thaddeus?
that hell gonna be nice for sure. That hell mix match ahead. It's gonna be nice.
I said, yo, mismatch ass guy.
Man, say my shit was mismatched because it was carving in white.
But nah, bro. Y'all go see that mine pop out, bro.
Gonna turn that hell up.
Hey, shout out to Spooky Road Auto. Y'all be safe, man.
Yeah.
We outside, ain't it?
We outside.
Taking over.
Yes, sir.
2023.
Bye-bye. Alright guys, but we just dropped the car off, so now we just gotta wait until, you know, we get that call back from my guy from Spooky Road. So I'll keep you updated. Hey, thank y'all for watching the video. Y'all stay safe.